Hello and welcome to the channel. In previous session we seen the sketching commands, datum and sketching. In this session we will discuss the editing and constraint commands. In editing commands there are first command is modify, then second mirror, then divide, delete segment, corner, rotate, resize. These are the editing commands. We will see one by one editing commands. Modify commands. If you draw a rectangle or any shape for any dimensions, we have to modify this dimension one by one. But by using modify command, you can modify all those dimensions in one time. For that, click modify, or you can select first complete object, then click on modify. This dialog box will be open. In that dialog box, we have to modify the dimensions. First dimension we will see that is 3.93. We have to enter it 5. Then second 10. It gives to 50. And here we can lock the scale, so we have no need to lock the dimension separately. Just click on lock the scale and then click OK. Then it using modify commands. Next, mirror command. For mirror command, the center line is required to mirror the object. That means left side and right side, or top or bottom. You can use both the mirror commands. For that, you have first draw the center line, then draw the one object, simple object. We will modify it. It gives 2 dimension. When it is 7, 5, this also 5. We'll make it similar. Then we have to draw a circle in the same position. We'll see this. Give the dimension 7. That will be attached both the points. Now, by using delete button, now this object will be mirror to the left side. Just select object, then click on mirror, and then center line. It will be mirror right to left. In this way, you can use the mirror command. First select the object, then click on center line. It will be appear in the left side. Select and delete. Next, divide. Here is we draw a one line, and here is the point only, left end and right end. We have to divide this line in number of points. Then click on divide and just click anywhere in the point. It will be divided automatically. And here is the dimensions. You can modify it as per requirement. If you require, you can modify it. This divide command will be used. Next, then the delete segment. Delete segment is the command like a delete extra object. For example, we draw this portion, this line, and this extra line. This extra line. We have to delete this extra portion or extra line by using delete segment. Just click on extra portion. From that end point, it will be cut automatically. Or you can simply make a rectangle, then simply make a short frame. We have to remove this portion. Delete segment. So you can remove any line by using delete segment. Next, corner. Simply draw a line, then second line. Now this line want to delete with the corner. Just click on corner and select two lines where we want a corner. It will make a perpendicular two lines, as well as it will remove the extra line. Next, rotate and resize. Its name says it will be resize, or you can rotate the object. Here is options. You can rotate with the angle, or you can resize. If we enter 2, it will be doubled. If you want to rotate, it will be rotate. In this way, you can resize or rotate the object. Next, this is the editing command. Next, constraint commands. Here is the different constraints are available. First is vertical, then second is horizontal, then perpendicular, tangent, midpoint, coincident, symmetric, equal, and parallel. These are the constraints. We will see one by one. First is vertical. Here is inclined line. We have to this line we have to make a vertical. Just click on vertical line, vertical command, and then click on line. It will become automatically vertical. Like this, we'll make a horizontal line as well. As click on horizontal and just click on the line. It will be vertical as well as horizontal. Next is perpendicular. We have drawn two cross lines, and we have to make these two lines perpendicular. Just click on perpendicular, select first line which is fixed, which can't be moved, then first line, then second which will make a perpendicular to that line. It will changes the direction and make this line to the first line to the perpendicular. Then tangent, we have to draw a circle. This line make a tangent to this circle. Just click on tangent, then click on line and circle. It will become a tangent, or you can do vice versa as well. As tangent, fixed object, circle, then line. Next, midpoint. Simply click a line, first become it horizontal, then we require midpoint. Just click on line and midpoint. It can't show the midpoint here. Just click on line and move cursor in the line. It will show a midpoint. You can draw or modify from the midpoint. Next, coincident. Just click one simple line, then second, this second line. Now we have to make these 2 points coincident at the same point. Then click on coincident, then first point and second point. Here is the repeat constraint. So we have to delete one constraint, horizontal constraint, that will be deleted. Okay. Condition is that the only one constraint can be used. So this point will be coincident. Next, symmetry. Simply click on line, require a center line as well as, then click on symmetry and just click on first select center line, then click on the line. First select center line, then click on symmetry and click on first select 2 points and then click on center line. Repeat it. Symmetry, first point, second point, and then click on center line. It will become a symmetric. Or you can modify it. It will extend symmetrically. Then second, we have to make two lines equals. Then click on equal. First line, second. It will become equal line. Next, parallel. First line, second line. We have to make these two lines parallel. Click on parallel. First line, second line. In this way, you can use the edit actual drawing of how to draw a 2D sketch on the CREO parametric software. We will see the actual example in the next session. Thank you.